Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic in the tech world, servers.
Sounds exciting, Bill. But for our viewers who might not be so tech-savvy, could you explain what exactly a server is?
Absolutely, Laura. At its core, a server is a computer system or device that provides data, services, or resources to other computers, which we call clients. Imagine it like a restaurant. The server takes your order and delivers your food, while you, the client, get to enjoy your meal.
I love that analogy. So are servers always physical machines like desktops or laptops?
Great question. They can actually be a mix of things. Servers can be physical machines like dedicated hardware sitting in a data center. But they can also be virtual servers, which exist as software on physical machines, or even cloud-based services that run on servers managed by third parties.
So we have physical, virtual, and cloud-based servers. Can you tell us about the different types of servers out there?
Sure thing. There are several types of servers. For example, web servers deliver web pages to users by handling requests from browsers. Database servers store and manage data, while mail servers handle email communications. Don't forget about application servers, which host applications and facilitate business logic.
That's quite a variety. How do servers actually handle these requests and processes?
Great point, Laura. Servers play a key role in any networked environment. They handle requests from clients and process data to deliver the required resources. When a client sends a request, the server processes that request, retrieves the necessary information, and sends it back.
So it's like a conversation happening really fast between the client and the server?
Exactly. It happens in milliseconds, and reliability and performance are super critical. If a server goes down or is too slow, it can disrupt the entire network and affect a lot of users.
Wow, that sounds serious. What about server architecture? How does that come into play?
Server architecture refers to the design and layout of a server, including how it's built and how it integrates with other systems. It's essential for ensuring that servers can handle the load of requests they're receiving. Efficient architecture leads to better performance and reliability.
And I assume that server management practices are vital to maintain that performance, right?
You're spot on. Server management involves monitoring and maintaining servers to ensure they're operating optimally. This can include tasks like updating software, managing backups, and ensuring that security measures are in place.
It seems like there's a lot to consider. How have servers evolved over time?
Great observation. Servers have significantly evolved, especially with the rise of virtualization and cloud computing. Virtualization allows multiple virtual servers to run on a single physical server, optimizing resources and reducing costs. Meanwhile, cloud computing offers on-demand access to computing resources over the internet, which has transformed the way businesses operate.
So, are there any trends right now that we should be aware of regarding server technology?
Absolutely. One major trend is the increasing shift to hybrid clouds, which combine both on-premises servers and cloud services. This gives businesses flexibility in managing their resources. Another trend is edge computing, which processes data closer to where it's generated, reducing latency and improving speed.
It seems like technology is really changing the game when it comes to servers. Are there any future predictions you'd like to share?
Definitely. Experts predict that servers will become even more automated, utilizing AI and machine learning to manage workloads and troubleshoot issues proactively. We might also see a greater emphasis on sustainability, with energy-efficient servers becoming the norm.
That's really fascinating, Bill. It sounds like the server landscape is continually evolving. Before we wrap up, any final tips for our viewers wanting to dive deeper into servers?
Absolutely. I'd recommend checking out resources like online courses, tech blogs, and even the Wikipedia page we mentioned earlier about servers. Hands-on experience is invaluable, so consider setting up a small server environment to experiment.
Thanks for the tips, Bill. This has been super informative and fun.
Thanks, Laura. It was great chatting about servers today. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech insights.
And if you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time.
See you later.